Here is a diagram of an ice cream. Now this ice cream in the middle has been cut into half by this black line, and in math we write a half like this, and two halves make a whole, so half plus half is equal to 1 whole 1. We may also write a half as this. Now in the rectangle here, half of the rectangle has been shaded on the right, and now this is the same rectangle and it is also cut in half in a different way. One half has been shaded in yellow. Now let's divide this same rectangle into 4 quarters. We write a quarter as 1/4 like this or 1/4 like this. Each of the 4 parts is 1/4. So 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is 1 whole. And here one of the quarters has been colored in yellow, and now 3 of the quarters are yellow. And we write 3 quarters as written here 3/4 or 3/4, 3/4 like this. Notice that 3/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 1 whole. And here is another example of same 3/4. In this diagram on the right, 3 of the 4 parts of the shape are colored in yellow. So 3/4 is colored and 1/4 is not colored. Now notice that it is important that the parts that a shape is divided into are the same size and shape. If we divide a shape into 2 unequal parts, we cannot call the parts a half of the whole.